To make payments on PayPal Credit, start by logging into your PayPal account and navigating to the PayPal Credit section. Once you are in the PayPal Credit section, you will see your current balance and the minimum payment due. Next, click on the Make a Payment button and enter the amount you want to pay. You can choose to pay the minimum payment, the full balance, or any amount in between. It is generally recommended to pay more than the minimum payment to avoid interest charges and pay off your balance faster. After entering the payment amount, select your payment method. You can use your PayPal balance, a bank account, or a credit or debit card. If you are using a bank account, make sure it is linked to your PayPal account and that you have sufficient funds. Once you have selected your payment method, review your payment details to ensure everything is correct. Check the payment amount, payment method, and the date the payment will be processed. If everything is correct, click the Confirm button to complete the payment. It is also a good idea to set up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. To do this, go to the PayPal Credit section and click on the Manage Payments button. Then, select the Automatic Payments option and choose how much you want to pay each month. You can choose to pay the minimum payment, the full balance, or a fixed amount. Finally, keep track of your payments and balance by regularly checking your PayPal account. You can also set up payment reminders and alerts to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these steps and best practices, you can make payments on PayPal Credit easily and efficiently.